Hello everyone, welcome back to Can Coffee. Here we have this beautiful zacconi Riviera espresso machine. Now for this machine, we replace all these parts that you see right here, starting with the heating element. This one that you see right here. One because we had to replace the heating element, we basically had to disassemble the whole machine, removing the top piece of the boiler, the bottom piece, and the boiler itself. We also replaced the gaskets from the side glass as well as the steam one, and yeah, all the ones that you see right here. We did clean everything in there on the boiler. We also replaced the gaskets from the base itself. The one is located right here beneath there, and that's all we did. We just replaced the boiler gaskets and replaced the heat element. We've been testing this machine for a while, and as you can see, there's no leaks anywhere, not coming from the side glass, from the steam one, or the side glass, or the boiler itself, cap, or anything, or even below. So, starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Then we're gonna use the steam. Hopefully, I pick up the right gradients of this machine. Otherwise, we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Okay. Perfect. Be on the slower side. I might have to tamper a bit too hard for the machine. Unfortunately, tamper a little bit too hard for this machine. As this is a spring-loaded machine, you really need to calibrate the coffee in order to actually extract it properly with this machine. So now we're gonna go back with the steam, and as you can see, excellent steam coming out of the machine. Really powerful, excellent temperature, and really good pressure. Just look at that, working really great. Pressure of the machine is 1.2 bars and it's doing great. So thank you so much for repairing Candy Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.